Hello everybody, it's Gordon here with Finnmark Designs, the lead engineer, and in today's video, we're going to talk about some of the commonly asked questions about wiring your new infrared sauna. So let's go ahead and get started. So obviously, the biggest question that you're going to have before you purchase sauna is, what are the requirements? What do I need in my house in order to operate this infrared sauna? So the first thing that we have here, which is one of our best-selling saunas, is our hybrid sauna. The reason why we built this hybrid sauna is to give people the opportunity to reach high temperatures, so up to 170 degrees, on a standard home outlet. So in our opinion, it's an engineering marvel. No other company has been able to do this. You can shop everywhere online, and you will not be able to find a sauna that can get to these temperatures on a 15 amp outlet. So the hybrid, one of our best selling, it's plug and play. As soon as it's shipped, as soon as you get it dropped on your driveway, you unbox it, you can put it together, you plug it right into a standard outlet, and you can start using it that night. The 2 to 3 person, you will need an electrician for it. So it is 120 volts. So it's a standard outlet, but it's a 20 amp breaker. Now, a lot of people constantly ask, well, why can't I just swap out my electrical outlet in my house and use with a 20 amp, outlet, and just use, the 15 amp? Well, it doesn't work that way. Even if you were to replace your 20 amp breaker in your conjunction box outside or in your garage, the wiring that you have in your home is still 15 amps. So you need a dedicated 20 amp outlet and a 20 amp breaker in your electrical box. The 3 to 4, same thing. So the 3 to 4, it runs 240 volt, 15 amp. So you need a 240 volt or an electrician to come and wire a dedicated 240 volt, 15 amp outlet. So the next big question that we get from a lot of folks out there is, what is it going to cost me to operate this sauna? A lot of people, decades ago, you had a lot of the traditional saunas on the market, and the traditional saunas are generally very expensive to run. The cost to operate is very expensive. That is not the case with infrared saunas, specifically our infrared saunas. We've made these saunas very, very economical. We actually went off of 1 hour per day for three. So if you had the sauna on in your home for 1 hour a day for a full year, using an average. So we pulled the average from energy.gov, and that's basically you pay 12 cents per kilowatt per hour. If you were to do that, the daily cost for your hybrid, 21 cents, monthly $6.30. I mean, like it's extremely efficient to use an infrared sauna. It's not like a hot tub. It's not like anything else that, even a microwave, if you used every day, is most likely going to cost about the same, if not more, than an infrared sauna. So super efficient. You don't have to worry about getting this huge, bill at the end of the month, and oh my gosh, I can't, like having a pool pump, for example, right? Like your pool pump, it takes a lot of energy, right? Or your hot tub, or, one of those. But an infrared sauna, tons of health benefits, very little cost to operate. The next question that we get, and this is actually brought up quite a bit, which is very interesting to us, but you cannot use an extension cord. No power strips, no extension cords, and we also recommend upgrading your outlet. So depending on the age of your home, and a lot of times it doesn't even matter the age of the home, because a lot of builder grade spec homes that are out there use very, very low end receptacles when they build houses. That's just the way it is. So no power strips, absolutely not. No extension cords, and it's a good idea to upgrade your receptacle. Receptacles lose on average anywhere between 1 and 2% a year of amps. We've actually done a study on that. We've looked at that, and because I couldn't figure it out. I mean, a switch is a switch, but the methodology there is what they say is the connectors start losing their ability to pull in the correct amount or the amount of amps from new. So there are hospital grade receptacles out there. They're usually gray with a green dot on them, or white with a green dot. So I always recommend people, hey, if you're gonna upgrade your outlet, which you should anyways, pay a little bit. It's like $5 to $10 more for one of those hospital grade outlets. Another question that comes up that I don't have on this slide is if you should use a GFI. You can use a GFI. GFIs are used generally in an area that's wet or could be wet, like a kitchen, a bathroom. Um, these particular infrared saunas, there is no water. So unless you're in a particular area of the home where you could get water, for example, maybe you have a basement and sometimes water gets in there somewhere, or um, you have it in the bathroom, right? Those are circumstances again, and you want to talk to your electrician about that. They're licensed. They're also going to have insurance, for example, if they don't do it correctly for you. So those are some good some good knowledge there on what you have, what you can and what you can't do with the outlet. Um, so to kind of recap everything, hybrid sauna, super efficient. You can buy it. Once you get it delivered, you can plug it right into the outlet in your home. Again, we still, even for the hybrid, we recommend upgrading the outlet. Super efficient to run, very nominal. I mean, under $100 a year for the hybrid if you used it an hour a day. And then hire an electrician for the other ones, and upgrading your outlet, highly recommended. You don't necessarily want to have these, be a do it yourself. A lot of people can do it, but again, these guys are licensed, they're insured, right? They're going to make sure everything's good. No power strips, no extension cords. And that should pretty much sum it up for a lot of the questions that are usually asked when it comes to electricity. So I hope this helps you guys. And again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call, email us. We're always here to help. Have a great day.